Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths. And today I want to introduce you to how you find moving medians graphically. The red pen is out, so that means that there's going to be some drawing on these graphs. But initially, I should put the x and y parts of the graphs in so that you can see what exactly I am talking about. Now, a median. What is a median? It is the middle value in a set of numbers, or the middle point in a series of positions. Let's put it that way. Now, let's have a look at the first one. This is the straightforward one. What we do, because this is a graph of bivariate data, and that's important, what we do is we work our way across the x values. Now this is going to be a 3-point moving median, and I'm just finding the first point in each one of these. So we move across the x values, 1, 2, 3, and we take the middle value. Then we work up the y values and we take the middle value, and coincidentally and happily it turns out to be right on this point, as you would expect. I mean, this is a very straightforward piece of data. That is our first median point. When we move along to the next median point, we would have another data point out here, and we would count across the x values 1, 2, 3, and up the y values from here 1, 2, wherever we got to. But that's a subject for another day. We're just looking initially at how we establish a median from 3 points in various configurations. Okay, so let's move to this. Across the x-axis, 1, 2, 3. So our x midpoint is here. That's the middle value of the 3 data points. If you want to give them numbers, 1, 2, 3, the middle value is 2. Working up the y-axis, we have this point and then this point. And again, if you want to give them values, 1, 1, 2. So our middle value is 1. And the median turns out to be that number there, that point there. Why? Because 1, 2, 3 points on the y-axis. Remember, we're working in order up the y-axis as we worked in order across the x-axis. And that doesn't mean that we blindly go 1, 2, 3 like that on the y-axis. No, it's 1 point, 2 points, 3 points, or 1 point, 2 points, 3 points, however you want to do it. If you want to give these numbers 1, 1, and 2, if that makes more sense, 1, 1, 2, that's the middle value that's the middle y value, and that's why that is there. Okay, let's move over to this one. X values, 1, 2, 3 in that order. The middle value is this one. And I find it useful to draw these little lines when I'm fairly certain that we're not going to get a point that matches one of these. Y values, 1, 2, 3. There is our first median point. Now, the purpose of this video was really just an introduction. It's to show you how sometimes we land happily on an existing data point, other times we do not, and to explain why we do not. Okay, well, I hope you found this useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and watch out for a more complicated version of this where I'll try and run a 3-point moving mean across quite a bit of data, and you can see what happens. Thanks very much. See you next time. Bye-bye.